Now we have to insert the chips, the ICs. So in order to insert an IC, we have to bend a little bit the pins on the table, all of them in the same time, so they are all perpendicular. And now we have to insert the chip in the same position as indicated on the socket and push it down. So I inserted the timer, and the next I have to insert the decade counter 4017. So I have to do the same. Initially the pins are like in a V shape, and I have to formate them on the table, and after I will bend them a little bit, they will fit the socket appropriately. So we have to pay attention not to bend the pins of the IC, so they have to fit the socket, and we have to push them down. They have to enter into the socket.